So this is not working, and I've got to change the battery. And the battery's on this side, so we're going to go ahead and shut the door. And it's a pretty simple fix. Just take the plate off and change the battery. Now you're going to need one of these 9-volt batteries. And yeah, let's do it. Put the drill in reverse. Here we go. Don't lose your screws. Don't lose your screws. That's it. Put the screws over there. And just pull the face off. And there's the Duracell. And we're just going to replace it with another Duracell, right? So we just got to kind of pull it out. Be careful when you pull these off, right? Because you don't want to break them. So you got to kind of slowly work them off. There we go, just like that. All right, so now let's put our new battery on. And so you see there's the male and the female. Smush them together. And then we just got to smush it in there. Just like that. Bam, done. Yeah. All right, now, let me get, all right, so you got to make sure that you get this even with that, right? So I got to kind of get it on there. Nope. There we go. I think I got it. We'll find out, right? Start them with your fingers first. Start them with your fingers first. You can see we've had this one for a while. I'm hoping that, put it in forward, of course, and then bam, Bob's your uncle. I don't tighten it down until I get them both kind of close. There we go. Alright, that's that. Alright, let's see if it works. Okay, that side works. Let's go outside and see if we can, let's go outside and see if we can get it to lock. Alright, so it's a bolt lock, right? So if I just go like this, I should be able to just, oh yeah, that's good. Alright, so now we're in. Alright, now I'm going to put in my code. I'm not going to let you guys see it. It's a 4-digit code. And then it should just open. Yeah. Bob's your uncle. We got it fixed. Alright, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I fix stuff. Peace out.